Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix too many attempts try again later on TikTok. But before that, if you are new, please hit the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified if we post another video. So without further ado, let's proceed with today's video. First, you have to upload your TikTok application. To do that, you have to click on the settings right here, scroll down, and click on General. After that, go to iPhone storage and you will find the list of all the apps you have on your phone. Now scroll down and click on TikTok. And now you can click on the Upload App button. Uploading the application would clear the cache on TikTok and help clear the unnecessary files on it. And hopefully that will fix the error already and you will be successfully logged in your TikTok account. Thank you for watching. We hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more of this.